In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter products and services in Intuit QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to fill out each field so your items are set up correctly and ready to use on invoices, sales receipts, and purchase orders. Start by signing in to QuickBooks online. On the left-hand menu, click Sales, then choose Products and Services. This is your master list, the place where you define everything you sell or bill for. Keeping this list clean and accurate makes creating transactions faster and keeps your financial reports clear. Now look to the top right and click the New button. QuickBooks will ask you to choose an item type. Pick Inventory if you track physical items you buy and resell, and you want QuickBooks to track quantities on hand. Choose Non-Inventory if you sell physical items but don't need quantity tracking. Select Service for anything you bill by time or task like consulting or installation. Use Bundle when you sell a group of items together as a single line on a transaction. Selecting the right type up front ensures QuickBooks treats the item correctly in your books. Next, enter the product details. Start with a clear, consistent name that matches how you want it to appear on invoices. If you use SKUs internally, add an SKU to make searching and reporting easier, but it's optional. Category helps you organize similar items, making your list more manageable and your reports more insightful. Add a concise description customers will see on forms. Think of this as the line item text that explains what they're buying. Enter the sales price or rate. If you bill at variable prices, you can still set a common default here and adjust it on transactions as needed. Choose the correct income account so revenue from this item lands in the right place on your profit and loss. For example, product sales versus service income. If applicable, select an expense account typically used when the item has a direct cost you want to track, such as cost of goods sold for inventory-related purchases. If you're creating an inventory item, enter the quantity on hand. This should reflect your current count so QuickBooks can start tracking increases and decreases as you buy and sell. Taking a moment to verify this number now will save you cleanup work later. When everything looks good, click Save and Close to finish, or Save and New if you have more items to add. That's it. Your item is now ready to use on invoices, sales receipts, and purchase orders, helping you work faster and keep your records consistent every time you sell.